Antipathy. Now, repeat after me. Antipathy, antipathy, antipathy. Antipathy is a strong feeling of dislike or opposition towards someone or something. It goes beyond simple dislike and often involves a deep-seated aversion. In a sentence, she felt a strong antipathy toward dishonest behavior. Here, antipathy refers to her intense dislike for dishonesty. Let's try another example. There was clear antipathy between the two rivals who rarely spoke to each other. Now it's your turn. If you understand the word, comment below with your own sentence using antipathy. Synonyms. Some related terms for antipathy are aversion, a strong feeling of dislike or unwillingness; hostility, aggressive or unfriendly feelings towards someone or something. Antonyms. The opposite of antipathy would be affinity, a natural liking or attraction towards something. Sympathy, feelings of understanding and compassion toward others. Part of speech. Antipathy is a noun referring to a deep dislike or aversion. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to English Dictionary Infinity. Don't forget to hit the notification bell for more words and pronunciation tips. See you next time.